Servus und hello, welcome to this business vlog where I tell you all about my business and how it's going. It is the 11th of August and as you may hear, I am sick. I caught COVID at a festival and now I am sick. I am much better now than I was on Sunday. It was terrible. But COVID is not preventing me from doing 3D printing things, it just prevents me from doing physical labor. I put in a waste notice for the time I was at the festival on my eBay thing and got some orders while I was away, and now I'm handling those orders. I have 4 orders from eBay and 2 special custom orders for custom 3D prints. With custom 3D prints it usually goes like it's either a new customer or a customer that I already know. I have one recurring customer and one that I didn't know yet. So they usually send me the files, I make them an offer, and then they send me the money that I put in the offer, and then I start the printing process. I'm waiting for the money from these 2 people so I can start with their order. And so I can order more resin because Riotech currently has an offer for the second bottle is 40% off, which would be nice for me. The other orders are that there's one person that failed to put more things in an order, I think, because they ordered like the cobblestone bases and 2 25mm and 2 32mm sets separately. I will put that in a package and send it as one. Then I have a Hydra and a White Dragon Wormling. They are on my Saturn's plate right now. I will show you when I take them off. And for the bases, because my black resin is going low, I bought some Elegoo black resin. I want to make a mold and like make a silicone mold and do the whole process in silicone for the cobblestone bases, but I cannot find my silicone at all. And yes, I will print the bases with my Saturn instead of my Elegoo Mars, because the Saturn can print 2 of the sets at a time, and the last time I tried to print bases with my Mars it failed. And the Saturn didn't fail. Now let's mask up and get these things off the plates. Okay, things may have changed after the last time you saw this. I'm still using the 3 wash or 2 wash warm water method, and I tend to like to use my thinner gloves for removing supports because it gives me more control and they are not as sticky and there's not that much resin on it. And another change is that you may have heard it or not, that I'm now using a flex blade for my Saturn. So right after they go in there, wash this off so there's so this is clean. As you can see, there's no sharp things on it. Now we wash. My support settings are fairly thin, so I could break these away with my finger already. These are my medium supports, but easily I could break those away with my finger, but I'm going to use hot water to make everything easier. So, and after the supports are removed, I obviously place them first in this strainer thing that I picked up at the supermarket, and then they dry on there and then they get cured. Furthermore, I will have a cutter soon, or here's my cutter now, but I still need to work on it into stuff. So the videos that take a little bit more effort will look a little better because he actually likes producing videos. I too, but I'm more on the creative and pulling the strings type and doing the stuff, but doing the dirty work is not my kind of deal. I can do it, but I prefer not to because it grinds my gears a lot. So we will have a little more pretty videos soon. He's currently on vacation. I'm looking into expanding more from like adding things from VX Labs, where I have some things that I need to reprocess again, because they have a array, like they do the naughty but realistic sculpts, and they have a ray which is very cool. But if I would print it at the scale that he suggests, which is where the files are at, they are like scale 1 to 6, the thing would cost like 400 euros. And I think the barrier to entry is a bit high, even for a collector. So that's it. I'm just trying to get rid of COVID from our household as fast as I humanly can, because it strains me a lot and I cannot do a lot of work. I'm even wearing long pants, and that has to mean something. So we'll end this video here. Kind of shorter video for you. I hope it was entertaining in some way or another. If you have any questions or want to see some things, how I do things, why I do things, ask them in the comments below. I will see you next time. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. I will see you in the next video. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.